First, we have to find the domain of this function. When we have to find the domain, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which the function is defined. So let's see what kind of operation we have here. We have negative 5 over x. X is in denominator. We know that we cannot have 0 in denominator. We never divide by 0. So now our x must be different than 0. So we can write our domain will be all real numbers excluded 0. Now we have to find the range. When we have to find the range, it means we have to find all possible values for y, our output. On the right side, we have fraction bar. Numerator is always negative 5. On the denominator, we can put any real number exclude 0. So when I put for x negative number, I will have negative over negative give me positive y. When I put positive x, I will have negative 5 over positive number will give me negative number on the right side. What else? If x, for example, will be equals 100, my y will be negative 5 over 100. I replace x by 100. So we see when x is bigger, y becomes smaller. If I put for x equals negative 1 over 100, then y will be equals negative 5 over negative 100. We have division. Negative over negative give us positive. So we have 5 over 1 times 100 over 1. This is equals 500. So we see when x is smaller, the y become bigger. So we see we can get for y every real numbers excluded 0, because we will never get 0 on the right side. Y is all real numbers excluded 0. This is our range domain.